This video is going to show how to find similar objects in a design using 3 different methods in OrCAD X Presto: wildcard search, select on canvas, and show in search results. A complex design may have numerous instances of the same component all around the board. In certain scenarios, it may be necessary to find similar components to select an alternate PCB footprint, renumber reference designators, group the components, and more. Let's start by using the search feature to place similar components. To activate the search panel, select the search button at the bottom of the window or View, Panels, Search from the menu. Select Auto Hide in the top right corner of the panel to keep the panel open during the search process. To place components, right-click the Move mode in the toolbar and select Place. The Place widget opens. Select Series in the widget to place objects one at a time. The search panel can be used to place similar components that already exist on the board. For this example, I'm going to select capacitor C28 in the bottom right corner. The capacitor is attached to the cursor. Press Escape on the keyboard to release it. The properties of the capacitor are now listed in the Properties panel. Click the part number to search for parts with the same number. All matching parts are listed, some of which are unplaced. To select only the unplaced components, hover over the State column header and select the filter symbol. A new subpanel opens with additional search options and a text field. Select the Filter List icon. Check Unplaced in the State drop-down menu and click OK. Only unplaced components with the same part number as C28 are listed. These components can be placed sequentially. Highlight all the components listed in the search results or press Ctrl-A on the keyboard to select them. Move the cursor onto the canvas. A red outline indicates where the component is to be placed. Click to place the first capacitor. The next component is attached to the cursor. By default, all components are placed on the top layer. These components can be moved to the bottom layer in the search panel as well. Click to place the remaining capacitors and press Escape on the keyboard to return to the selection mode when finished. Next, let's edit component properties in the search panel. Select Reset to clear all search filters. Select the filter symbol for the RefDes column header. Select the regular expression option to enter the desired filter as an expression. Enter C bracket 1234 end bracket into the text field and click OK. This will filter only capacitors with designators starting with 1, 2, 3, or 4. To change the component layer, click and drag to select the cells under Layer. Right-click a selected cell and select Edit. Select Bottom from the resulting drop-down. Click a cell outside the selected cells. All selected capacitors are moved to the bottom layer. If any DRCs occur from the capacitors overlapping the blue bottom traces, click and drag to adjust the capacitors as needed. Next, let's use the search panel to assign component groups. To clear the existing filter, select the filter symbol for the RefDes column header. Clear the search field and click OK. Hover over the header for the class column and select the filter symbol. For this example, we'll enter I/O into the text field and click OK. This will search for all components in class I/O. J1, J2, and J3 are listed. Select the reference designator for J2 in the table to select BNC connector J2. Click and drag to select the cells under the group column for J2 and J3. Enter the name of the group and click outside the cells. The new group BNC I/O is assigned to both components. In the group dropdown in the Properties panel, BNC I/O is selected as the group. Click Reset to remove all filter settings. Lastly, let's find components to change other properties, such as the PCB footprint. Select the desired component on the PCB canvas. Under General, in the Properties panel, select the part number. The search panel is automatically populated with the part number and all components with the same part number. For this example, U6, U8, and U9 are listed. Click and drag to select the cells under Footprint for all 3 ICs. Right-click one of the cells and select Edit. Select the desired footprint from the drop-down and click outside the cells to deselect. U6, U8, and U9 have been changed to smaller TFSOP packages. Clear the search field and press Enter to list all components. Quickly and easily find similar components with the various searching options in OrCAD X Presto. For more tutorials, Visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.